Ever wondered how chemists balance equations that look more like puzzles? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Welcome to Science Bites. Today we're going to break down how to balance chemical equations step by step. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction, showing the reactants, the substances you start with, and the products, the substances formed. But to follow the law of conservation of mass, the number of atoms on both sides of the equation must be equal. That's where balancing comes in. Let's take a simple reaction, the formation of water. The unbalanced equation looks like this. Here we have two hydrogen atoms on both sides, but we have two oxygen atoms on the left and only one on the right. Time to fix that. To balance the equation, we add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O, so now we have two oxygen atoms on both sides. But wait, now we have 4 hydrogen atoms on the right and only 2 on the left. To balance that, we place a 2 in front of H2. The balanced equation now looks like this. Now, both sides have 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Balanced. Let's try another one. The combustion of methane, CH4. The unbalanced equation looks like this: CH4 plus O2, CO2 plus H2O. We start by balancing the carbon and hydrogen atoms and then the oxygen atoms. After a bit of adjusting, the balanced equation becomes CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2O. It takes practice, but soon it'll become second nature. Balancing chemical equations ensures that we follow the fundamental laws of chemistry, like the law of conservation of mass. It's essential in fields ranging from chemistry labs to environmental science, and even in the reactions happening in your own body. Mastering the art of balancing chemical equations is key to understanding chemistry. Next time on, we'll explore acids and bases and learn why pH matters. Stay tuned for more bite-sized science. Like and subscribe too for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.